Hi guys, it's your boy WCE Graphics. Today we are going to be teaching about introduction to Coreldraw. So let's dive into our Coreldraw. And now we are going to be using 2025 to teach. Yes, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go and subscribe to this channel. Please, I'm begging you to subscribe. I'm also teaching you. Please go and subscribe. Thank you guys. I love you. So let's go to our Coreldraw. You see, I already opened it. So this your welcome screen. For those of you that already know Coreldraw, that are not a beginners, if you have been using Coreldraw, you don't have to follow, but you might also put here, you might also listen, because there are also things and there are many things that you don't know in the introduction. So to know those things, you have to stay tuned to this video. Now you can see here is our welcome screen. Here's our welcome screen. Then you see new document. So you are going to click on this new document. So immediately you click on this new document, it's going to show you, you can see create a new document, which is that place we click just now. So create a new document. You can see here is your page settings. These are all your page settings, where we have your A4, your A3, your A5, your A0, then we have your A2, so and lots. We have so many paper, even the business card size, the envelope size. So there are many sizes here you can use. So let's dive in. You can see document settings. So here is where you put your name, either the name of the work, or if you want to put your name if it's your work. Then this is the numbers of page you want to open in this document. Like is one now. If you add to it, immediately click OK. The document is going to have 2 page. You get, it's going to have 2 page. Then now you can see page view. You can see what this one means. Single page view. You can see it. Single page view. Let's read. Single page view. Show one page at a time. What does this mean? He said it's only one page at a time. It show only one page. It does not show more than one page. Then you can see multi-page view. Multi-page view show all page. Simply it show all page at once, which is at a time. So you can see it. Then let's go to our dimension. You can see this is our width, this is our height. Then here the inches. Either you use inches, millimeter. This, you don't have to use this if you are doing work like maybe for printing or any other stuff, but you can use this in any platform, like maybe your Upwork, your YouTube, and so other platform, I don't know. So but this is your feet. This is the one you use to size your work after design. If you want to print, that's what I mean. If you want to print. So let's dive in. So you can see we have the layer. Layer is just leave it in constant. You don't have to touch it. Leave it in this. Then let's go to our color profile. I know most of you don't come to this place at all. Most of you don't come to this place, but now I'm going to make you guys know that there are something here that you need to know. You can see this profile. You can see this profile. This is your RGB profile. This is your CMYK profile. I know I didn't talk about CMYK and RGB. I'm going to talk about it. So let's go. So you can see grayscale profile. You can see rendering intent. So in this place now you are seeing, if you click on it and change anything here, it's going to affect your color. You get, that's why it's in default. Leave it in default. Don't change anything. For those of you using any version, I'm talking about this. So I'm talking about that. For those of you using any version like this, so don't change anything. You don't have to change anything, including the CMYK. Just leave it default. You can see all is in default. So anytime your Coreldraw have problem, I don't know, you might think maybe that is the problem. So let's go to our primary color mode. You can see where we have the CMYK, here we have the RGB. So this CMYK gives you fade color. It gives you fade color. Then while your RGB gives you sharp color. I'll show you the difference when we are in our document. So let's go to our orientation. You can see here orientation, we have the portrait and the landscape. The portrait and the landscape. This one is portrait. This one is landscape. You know what that means? Yes, like your TikTok video, the portrait, then here your YouTube. You can see your YouTube. If you are watching some of the video is landscape, which is 16 by 9. So this is what it's talking about, your portrait or your landscape. So let's go to our resolution. Yeah, this is how you want your work to be quality, how you want your design you did in Coreldraw to be quality. You can see my own is in 1000 because I need quality image, so I'm going to put it in 1000. I've been using 1000 since it has been long. I didn't even remember when I used 1000, but it has been long when I put it 1000. You can see it. So you can also do yours like that if you want quality image. It don't have to be 300 because when I open the Coreldraw it comes with 300, but now I changed it to 1000. This is what you guys need to know. If you want quality job for your clients, you have to do this. Then now think we are done in this place, then you are going to press OK. You can see we're in our workspace. You can see I know most of you don't know what this screen, this outside page is. This place my mouse is now. I know most of you don't know what it means or the name. You might say put it outside, put it outside. That is not the name. The name for this stuff is desktop. Is desktop. Yeah, this place I'm touching now is desktop. Here is your workspace. This is your workspace. Here we have the menu bar. In the menu bar we have the file, the edit, the view, layout, object, effect, bitmap, text, table, tools, windows, help. Then here in our standard bar, we have, you can see it, new. This simply means start a new document by pressing Ctrl N. You can see Ctrl N, that's CTRL in your Windows, which is in your keyboard. You tap it, then you press Ctrl N. So immediately you press the Ctrl, you are going to ON. So that is it. So it means to open new document, not to open new page. You can open page in this document. You can see it. This is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm talking about when we are outside there. The numbers of page you put, that is the page is going to open when you press OK in that document. So you can see you can open new document. There are many things you can do in this new document. You can change, you can rename, you can insert things. So don't worry, we are going to go there. Then now we have, this is open. You can see open an existing document by browsing to folder where the document is located. Simply means if you have designed any Coreldraw file before, maybe you have Coreldraw file and you want to open it, you don't have to go and click it outside. So you can import it through here. You can use here to open it. You can come to this place now. These are Coreldraw files. You can come to here now and use it to open it. You see what I'm talking about? Immediately you click it, it's going to open this document. Can you see it? It's opened the document. It's opened the document. So I'm going to show you the difference between anything you see in this Coreldraw, the way you see this one now. Yes, I'm going to show you because many people think maybe the way you import this you can also bring in Coreldraw file. Never. You can never bring in Coreldraw file. There are reasons for those stuff. They are why they put them there. It can't just be importing. If they can bring Coreldraw file, they will also use, they will leave one now. You get. So that is not the reason why they leave it. Some of all these things are not showing because of we don't have designs. We don't have design, but no, nevertheless you can see some of them are still showing. The ones that are not showing, the stuff, what it means is not here. Like what this one has to do is not here. You understand what I'm saying? Like what this one will do is not here, so you will to not show. So whenever the stuff is here, or whenever you want to you do something like that, it will pop up this thing. Yeah, they are going to be active. So you can see S. Control S means save. You see, save the active document. That's what Control S means. In our standard bar, we have all this. The print, which is Control P to print. So we have the import, Control I to import. Then now we have the export, Control E to export. You can see them here. So these are what we have here. All this one, then they are just here for nothing. You can't, they are nothing. There are something you can use them for actually, but I don't know. I don't use them. So now we'll go to our property bar. Here we have our property bar. This our property bar talks about page size. In our property bar, we have the page size. Choose a page size for the document. You can see it. Whether you want to choose A4, A5, custom, or any other size, even if it's business card size or envelope size. So you can choose it for it. Then here we have where you saw outside there just now, which is our width and height. You see, this is our portrait and landscape. Then this other page you are seeing, you can see it all page, right? You can see apply the page size to all page in this document. Simply means any number you give it here now will appear in any single page you open in this document. Like I give it 3x4. Just watch. Let me delete this. 3x4, right? Watch. 3x4, abi? 3x4. All of them is going to take 3x4. All of them is going to take 3x4. You get? So to make this, maybe now you already, the importance of this thing, the reason why I'm showing you these things, because you will jam something like this. Yes, you must jam it. As a Coreldraw user, you must jam this. If you did not jam this, no, you are not doing client work. Exactly. So you have to know this. You see, they all open one page, and now maybe you have 3x4 here, then, or you have more than 2 jobs in this document. Now you have to size each of them different size. You understand? This one has its own size, this one has its own size. So you size this one 3x4, and now you want to come to this part again and size this one 4x3. 4, okay, and size this one 4x5. 4x5. You can see all page will also change to 4x5. How can you make them different? You see, we already have 4x5. Now if you want to change it to make it one page only, which is current page, you can see it. You come to this next one where there's wrote current page only. You can see apply the page size to the current page only. So you click on it. Now this number 1 already has the size, which is 4x5. So you are going to come to number 2. Then you resize it again, 4x3. You can see it, 4x3 already. So you leave it like that. Now if you come to this page, is 4x5. If you come to this page, is 4x3. So that is it. You already know what this means. If you are designing social media and posting flyers, use inches. Do not use millimeter, do not use feet. Use inches and give it the size, social media size. You can use 10x10, you can use 5x10, you can use 5x5. Yeah. Or you can go to Pinterest, download the flyer, use that flyer size to size the work. You get? So any one of your choice you want to do. So let's go to this one. I know they might not show you all this, but I'm here to show you all this because my aim is to teach you guys and make you guys a professional. Yes. So you can see this our tools, this our box now. Sometimes if you press your arrow key, it will vanish, to appear to disappear the object. People will be wondering how come, why is he doing like this, why is Coreldraw misbehaving? It's because you have not go deep into Coreldraw and know all this. You see, the more you go deep into Coreldraw, you begin to know all this. Yes, you begin to know all this. So what you need to do, don't be worried, don't be afraid. What you need to do, just tap on your desk screen. Then you tap on your desk screen, you see this place, you see it, you will slow it down. For instance, it's in 28. and 28 is the speedest. You can't put 1000, it will disappear. See, just watch, it disappear. Maybe now you are drawing shape in your design, then you want to make this shape to be fitted in that particular place you want to put it. Then you just press your arrow key, just disappear. This is it. Yes, what I'm doing now, I'm pressing the arrow key back, which is the left hand and the right hand. That is what is bringing in the back. So immediately it disappear like this. You know the speed is too much, it's too high. So what you do, immediately you control A. Control A is to align. Then you press P to come back. That is when it's only one shape or only one design in that document. So you can group them first. You can group your design first, which is, for instance, you have a design here, and now you already draw the shape disappear. Firstly, before you bring it back, group your design. Then once you group your design, press Ctrl A, then you hold Shift. If you hold your Shift, tap on this your design, so only that one will be selected. Immediately that one is selected, you press P to bring it back. You press P to bring it back, so it's going to appear here. Then after that, you are going to get your design. So now, to know how to set this thing, you are going to put it in 0.01, or let me say 5 or 3. Leave it in 3. 0.03. See, can you see it now? Our shape is slowing. So this is what you need to know. Immediately you see this, no, I'm still going to teach you more. I don't add knowledge for people at all. I don't add knowledge for people. Yes, I reason everybody at once, so I will have to teach. Yeah, so let's continue. This is our property bar. Now we are done with our property bar. Let's go to our tools. So before we move over to our tool, we are going to check the menu bar, and we are going to know all this in the menu bar. So first of all, we have the file. You can see the file. We have new document, which is Ctrl N to create new document. Then the next, we have new from template. This simply means the template that comes with the Coreldraw. Yeah, that comes with this Coreldraw. You can see, let me click it so that you guys will see it. So you can see all of this. This is the template that comes with the Coreldraw. You can make changes. Yeah, you can change them. You can change, maybe you click it, you want to edit yours, you want to add your own write-up to all this, you can do it, but I don't see it useful. But to you can use it, but to me, I can create my own from scratch. So let's continue. You can see open, Ctrl O to open. This simply means when you are importing CD arrow file. CD arrow file means, which is the full meaning is Coreldraw, which is the C start for Corel, then the D start for draw, then the arrow start for raw. You can see it's called Coreldraw. So you are going to do it like anywhere you hear CD arrow file, you know they are talking about Coreldraw. So let's continue. You see open recent. This simply means the work you did before. Maybe you do any work before you close the Coreldraw, so it's going to show you the work you did before, which is the recent one you did, and or maybe if there are others you did before the new one, so they will all show here. But when there is too much work, even the recent ones or the one you open newly, maybe so many work you open so many work in the document or in your Coreldraw, that one will go down and it will no longer show in this place again. So let's continue. You can see where we have the close and close all. This close is talking about, for instance, whenever I'm teaching, I will always do practical. That is me. Yes, I will always do practical, because why? I want you guys to learn, and I want you guys to know all this about Coreldraw. Yeah, you should know it. It's very, very important. This is what you need to know. Yes, as a graphics designer, you don't have to look things or you don't just have to see things anyhow, or you don't just have to say let me do things anyhow. You have to be creative. You have to be creative in everything you are doing. Yes, do not let anybody beat you. See this like a passion. Yes, see it like a passion. See it like you want to do it. You get? So let's continue. You come to your file next. You see now I said close and close all. If you close, only this page is going to close. But if you close all, simply means all the page, which is all the document you create in this your Coreldraw, they will all close, including the one you are editing on. They will all close. So if you click on close, everything will close. It will take you to your welcome screen, which is your welcome screen, to take you to this place. So you open it again. If you save the work, you have luck, but if you didn't save it, it's left for you. So let's see the next one we have. So first of all, the reason why I'm drawing this shape is to make some of all this stuff show here. You see we have the save, Ctrl X to save. Maybe you are designing work now, you haven't saved. If you press Ctrl X, you are going to type in the name or the client name to save the work. So that is it. But or maybe you use your name to save the work now, then you want to make changes of the name. This save as, you see save as simply means Ctrl Shift X to resave the work. Yes, to resave the work. Then we have save as template. I jumped this one because why? Not all you are going to use in Coreldraw. Yes, you never use everything. So you see this one. You see this one, save as template. This save as template, I know most tutorial you have been watching, they have described it like save as template, you don't need it, this and that. So this one, I know you don't need it, but if you have a website or you have a site or you have a app that you can import all these to, my dear, you need it too, because this save as template simply saves as, you can see your Canva. Yes, you can see your Canva, all those designs inside your Canva, the way you can edit them, you can make changes of them. That is what this stuff simply means. So immediately you design any work now, you save as template, you can import it in any of your website or any app you have. Yes, you can create it anyone you want to do. So acquire image, let's see what this simply means. And they are not showing, but time to come I'm going to show you guys what all this simply means. Yes, but the one that are useful, these are the. So we have our import, Ctrl I to import your work or your picture, which is the resources you want to use to design the work. You want to use to design, you can import it. Then to export, which means after designing you want to export, you are going to press Ctrl E to export. You see Ctrl E to export, then export for. This simply means Office, web, or WordPress. Do you understand this? Maybe you want to export in Office, you click it. What should I to take you to? You see we have export to, then you click it. If is, you see Microsoft Word, this simply means if you want to save the export to Microsoft Word, then this one simply means Word Perfect Office. You can see it, this is another program, so I don't know what that one means. Then you can see optimized for, then this means presentation. You can see desktop print, or I don't know, commercial printing. You can do, I don't know, but they are not useful to me. I have not done this before, but this is the only one I know here. So you can put it MS Word or this if you have any of this software. So you got to press OK to export. Then you can see the next one. You can see the next one we have export web. Watch, to take it to somewhere here. So you are going to export it as web. You all know what web mean now. So you can see it anyhow you want to do it, you can do it anyhow, any way you want to do it, you can do it. So I'm just showing you what all this simply means. So you can see all this now. Here we have our export docker. You can see export docker. So all these I don't know, but we don't use all this. I'm showing you the one that you can use, that is going to help you, that is going to guide you. But time to come when we are going deep into this Coreldraw, I promise you I will show you what all this really means if you don't know it. Yes. So for now, let's just skip all this so that the introduction will be fast. It will be fast. So let's continue. You can see print, Control P to print. You already know if you want to print, there are some systems and method you are going to pass through to print. So you can't just press Control P and just print once. If you are a printer, they will teach you, but you cannot use your system to print because they have to install your network first before you can print. Yes, they will install the network to the machine you want to use in printing. So you can see this print view. So this is my work. This is my work, and he wants to view the work I am sending. That is what print view simply means. See, when you fit it to page, it's going to fit to the page exact size. But when you do it fit in document, you can see exactly the way it is in the document. That is what it will give you. So you can see it. Then you click this place to cancel. You see, close print view. Alternate C to close print view. When you press your alternate C, it's going to close it. You see it. So let's come to our last one. This is our document property. Wow, this one is so perfect. Should I teach this one or I should skip it? Do you know why I'm saying this? So that let me do a design. Then when I'm doing the design, you guys can see what this one simply means. This in fact, they have upgraded Coreldraw. Coreldraw will suit you. When you see so many people designing, you will like, God, this person does good. I know feel good. You can be perfect. You can be good. Yes. Don't give yourself that negative mindset. Don't tell yourself you can't do it. You can do it. So for this, I will skip it because I want a tutorial that will teach you guys about this, the full details about this document property. But if you have your system, you can check it. So but for now, let me skip it. So let's come over to our edit. You can see our edit here. They are all mute. They are all mute. You know why? There is nothing to show up in our to show if they are working. So we have to draw our shape. So we should draw our shape. Then we'll come to our edit again. You see undo, create, undo, create, which is Ctrl Z. This simply means, you see, for instance, now I already created this stuff and I'm also doing more. I'm doing more. Now I Ctrl Z is going to undo it. Ctrl Z. You see it undo the work. You already know what undo means. So now we have the next one. Here our redo will now show. So to redo is Ctrl Shift Z. You see it, to redo Ctrl Shift Z. Then you are going to go back. Press is Ctrl Shift Z to bring back all what we did before. So they will all appear again. So that is it. Then we'll come to this place where you see repeat. You see it, repeat, duplicate, Ctrl arrow. So immediately you click on Ctrl arrow, it's going to repeat the selected shape or object, either picture or object, is going